What are you guys doing today? So I went ahead and I got this tray finished. Just a nice little wood serving tray. It's got live edge all around, mitered corners, hand carved handles. It's made out of walnut, oak, and maple. Little inlays in the handles. There's the back, it's little feet, rubber feet. Of course, made by Z. But this is a fun little project here. Came out really, really nice. And then I made these candle holders here. See, this is that one that I was saying with the slits. So when I light these tea lights, it'll glow through the sides. Isn't that awesome? Look at that. Live edge top. And then this one. And this one's just a solid. This one holds more tea lights in there. This is 7. But this is walnut and maple. Live edge top. Look at that. Those are nice. And then these are both coated with spray urethane. Actually, that stuff right there. So these will, I mean, I wouldn't use them outside, but they could be outside. And this one is board butter, and this one came out really, really, really nice. So this would have to be, retreated periodically with board butter to keep this beauty. But that's what I've been up to. And then the next project is we're kind of going a little bigger. I'm trying a table. And this is going to be maple, and then these are sassafras. Okay? And I want to do it to where there's a little opening here, and you can see both of these live edges on both sides there. You see that? And I want to keep that. So right now I'm going through and figuring out how I want to have my pieces meet here, because they're going to be secured here with dowels together, and then there will be a center brace that runs underneath to hold everything level. Okay, so that's what I've been up to. And I'll tell you, this sassafras, taking the bark off, that's what all that stuff is. It smells delicious. It smells like herbal tea, and they make tea out of sassafras bark, and it's got a very unique smell. So if you ever get an opportunity, you should stop and smell the bark. But that's what we doing, making tables. Happy farming, y'all. Later.